Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all now? In today's video, I am actually going to take you through my whole entire eyeshadow lot because we have to declutter a lot of things. We have to throw away a lot of palettes that I haven't used in a year or two or more, and there are a lot of palettes that I will keep on using because they are my favorite, or maybe I want to give them another chances. So without further wasting any time, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is the drawer where I keep all my eyeshadows. This is like this chest of 3 drawers, and I keep all my makeup in this. Basically it was actually 4-storied, but because I didn't have space, so I've just kept like 3 of these, and the 4th one is on its journey of its own, and here is my stuff. So this is the last one where I really keep all my eyeshadows, and you see it's a mess. So most of the eyeshadows in here I do like, some of them I don't like, so I just kept them randomly. Like at this point it's like I just kept them in here, I took it out from the box and kept in here. This is literally a pile of mess, and we will have to fix that. I will take out the palettes that I don't like, that I don't use anymore, and I will give it to someone that can use it. So this is more like I'm not going to throw these, of course. I'm going to give it to somebody who could use it. So this is the first palette. This is the WoW eyeshadow palette that I've had in the very starting of my like my makeup journey. This palette is nice and pretty, but it does not have as much pigment, so I don't use this very often because I have palettes that have same color with better pigments. So this is not something I use. I will declutter this. This is the first thing that is going in my pile of giveaways. Then second up is this mint palette. You might have seen this in my lockdowns, right? Because I have used it to quite some limit, the only neon colors, just the neon colors, nothing else with the neon colors. Other than that, this palette isn't too appealing to me, but I love the neons in here, so I would keep this just for the neon. I'm keeping it, okay? So this is not going anywhere, it's staying with me. Then next up we have is this Hilary Rhoda Colorful palette. This is the Hilary Rhoda Colorful palette. Let me show you the insides. So this is the palette. Now this is a very pretty palette. I have done like a green look from this. I believe I've done like 2 to 3 different looks from this because like on some occasions as well as in videos. I really like this palette. I'm keeping this. This is not going anywhere. This is one of my very faves, so this is staying. And this is a very new palette. This was gifted by somebody, so I'm keeping this. This is not going anywhere since this is the gift. So yeah, this is from Mars. And this is like this palette, I believe it isn't like too costly. It has a lot of colors, but the colors have like a bunch of pigments. I have done like that red cardinal look in my the bird series on Instagram, and also I have used like these for sunset look as well, the one I did on YouTube. This is a pretty palette, so this is staying as well. This is Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette dupe, and yeah, this is a duplicate makeup, a counterfeit makeup, and this is how it looks. It is just the duplicate of an already existing palette. I do not use this very often. This is not like one of my favorite color schemes, or like what I really love wearing. So this is definitely going away again because this is not something I reach for. I've just used it like once and I haven't reached for it since. So yeah, this is going. Next up we have is this Take Me Home Opaline palette, my quarantine, my lockdown partner, but I do not like this palette at all. You guys know I really am not a fan of this palette. As much as it has beautiful colors, this is not my favorite palette. I don't even like it because the color just lacks pigment. Some of the colors are just the most blah colors ever. Like this lime color, it looks so pretty, but as soon as you will start building it up, it will just disappear into chalk. You see this is how it works. So that's why I don't like it, and I'm giving it away for sure. Like 3 palettes that I used in my lockdown for 3 different looks. If you haven't seen that, I will link that. So these are like really pretty palettes, and I do love them a lot, and I'm not throwing these because these are pretty much new and they're pretty much pigmented AF, so these will surely stay. And this neon palette from Huda Beauty, oh my god, this is one of the worst palettes I've ever purchased in my life, and I hate it. I'm just very underwhelmed with this type of palette because again it looks like it is very pretty. It looks like this has some gorgeous color, but does this pigment show on your eyes? Not at all. So definitely I'm throwing this away. This basically was again a dupe, a counterfeit makeup, so this doesn't work. Yes, for sure. Giving it away, of course I will have to. Then we have like 1, 2 and 3 Huda Beauty dupes again. Now you guys know I already am into this. This is like a very pretty palette. I used it as the very first palette for 2020, when I like did my eyes the same as that of my hair. This is one of them. Then I used this one for the Halloween, the fall glam last year. This is again very pretty. I'm going to use it again this year because I think this is like the perfect, how should I say it, that perfect scheme for fall. This is like in the name of Huda Beauty. These are actually from SFR. Of course these are all Chinese, right? So that's that. Then this is a color Obsessions palette in blue color. Now I do have a very similar palette, you know, a palette that has like all blue scheme. I might give this away, I'm not sure. I'm keeping it for right now, and if I don't use it later I might give it away, but I'm keeping these three for the time being. So these are two from Wet n Wild. Now these are like some really pretty palettes, and I really love these sort of palettes when I have to go to like a quick wedding and I have to do like that sort of makeup, you know, like I'm going to a wedding and really need to do like a shimmery eyelid type of thing. This is the type of palette I go for usually, so I'm definitely keeping these because these are one of the most affordable sort of palettes, you know. So yeah, keeping these for sure. This is staying with me. We have this is the glitter palette again, a counterfeit makeup. I don't use these sort of glitters. This wasn't like something I really wanted to go for. I don't know, I'm giving this away maybe possibly because I don't think I'm going to use this, or maybe I can. I am not sure. I think I am keeping it for right now. If I use it in some look or the other, I might keep it. Otherwise I will give it away. Let's come to this side. This is a day and night palette from LA Colors. You must have seen this on my YouTube lately. I recently did like a look using this palette. I really love this palette. It is very pretty. This is like a day to night kind of palette, and I really love this, honestly. See, I really like this. I'm keeping this because I seriously like this, right? And then there's that palette you can see from Maybelline, City Mini palette. This is the palette. Now this palette is like a hit and miss, you know. Some colors are really pretty, some colors are like underwhelming, but I do like this palette. I mean, I don't want to part away from this because this is like a palette, you know, just like a go-to palette. You can keep it in your purse and just, you know, use it. So this is that, and I'm keeping this. And we have this Maybelline palette, the Lemonade Glaze palette, and you know, I saw the Queen Nikki tutorials using this palette on the Maybelline's YouTube channel, and I wanted to buy this palette that very moment, and I was so excited when this launched in India. But this is like one of the most underwhelming palettes I've ever come across in my life. You know, as much as this is costly, this literally costs like 1200 rupees, you know, 1200, and I bought it on much less price, of course. It just does not work at all. But I'm not going to throw this because I have just used it once. I'm going to use this no matter what. I'm not throwing this. So yeah, this is staying again. We have this Life's a Drag palette from Many MUA, and I'm not opening this because I don't think I need to, because I already know I'm keeping this. So this is staying, like I'm just keeping it here. This is the king of the palettes because I really love this palette. So it is staying over here. Then we have the one from Makeup Revolution. I'll show you from the outside. This is the color scheme it has, and it has like very acidic neon pigments, and it's pretty, it's pigmented, it has a punch of colors. I really love this palette. So of course this is like one of my favorites, and these are staying. This Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions dupe, right? It's quite an old palette, and like I believe this is going to be like 3 years old in a few months. Literally by the end of this year this is going to be like 3 years old. So this is the palette. It does not have like a lot of pigment. Tab lagti thi, ab nahi lagti because I am using better palettes. So it is a little powdery and chalky. So I might give it away because I do have the same color story in other palettes. So these two palettes, the smoky one and the electric one, of course these are the dupes. These are definitely going away. Oh my god, my first ever biggest palette from SFR. It is actually broken. I literally threw it from the, I don't know, from the cooler, I don't know from where. I just threw it from somewhere, and half of the shades are actually broken, but it was a nice palette back then. It is not anymore because I don't use it, and of course, I mean, I have like better pigmented palettes, so these underwhelming palettes are just taking up space, so I'll be giving it away again. Then we have some small stuff over here. This Essence single eyeshadow. Then we have this Essence Quattro. One of this is broken, but not like out of the box, but it's like little like inside. And then there is this again Essence ki ek aur single eyeshadow. Then we have this Wet n Wild ka trio. I think I will keep this trio. I don't know. I mean, let's talk about these first. I don't use these. I haven't used this in like whole entire 2019 or 2020. So I think I will be giving these away. This is broken. This is a little bit broken. This hasn't been used like in forever. If you don't use, you don't need to keep that. These two paint pots from Lotus. I've recently bought them. I'll be using them soon. So let's just keep that aside. This is a new gum. Let's keep that aside. Then we have this Glam Glow yellow color single eyeshadow. I have other better single eyeshadows in yellow color, or maybe I don't. Yeah, whatever. Let's just keep this. Then there is this two. Oh my god, these are two entirely new Wet n Wild. Oh my god, palettes, and I haven't used them. I mean, the seal isn't open. No, it's open, but I haven't used them. That's not even touched. Guys, can you believe I've not even touched these palettes, and these are staying in here since 2019. You know, I bought this in March 2019. My god, what a loser I am. So I'm keeping these because I will have to, you know, play with these and use these, make videos out of these. I will do something like on Instagram, something stuff. So I'm keeping these. Then yeah, of course, elephant in the room. This is the Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me tray, and this is like a very huge pretty palette. You know, it has these schemes. Oh my god, I hope I just don't break this. This is how it is. It's pretty, it's beautiful, it's big, it's gigantic, and it is staying no matter what. So yeah, baby, you stay here. Then we have this palette. This is a broken palette from Wet n Wild. I don't use it at all. Then another one from Wet n Wild. I again don't use this at all. So yeah, I'm giving these away. This one is in Petalette. This one is in Petalette, and this is in a Dream of Greeny. Yeah, so both of these I'm giving away. We have a new eyeshadow, so let's just keep that. And there is the single eyeshadow again from Wet n Wild. I think I'm giving this away as well because I don't use that very often. I have these dupe of Stila. I think most of these are either expired or don't work anymore, so I'm either going to throw it if they don't work. I'll keep them if they work. And yeah, let me just quickly arrange the stuff and then I'll show you how this has been kept. Also guys, I do have some of these new eyeshadows. This one is from Lotus and this is from Miss Claire, and you know, these are some miscellaneous eyeshadows that I bought, but I couldn't use them, of course, because in lockdown I didn't have most of this stuff. You know, these palette from Revolution and this another palette from Makeup Revolution. So I'll be reviewing this, and you know, then again this will be kept in here. And the last and the biggest palette I have is this from Beauty Bay. You might have seen this on my Instagram, and if you haven't seen that, I will show you it in a video. So I have to keep all this. So you know, once I put everything in there, this is just going to like go inside like this, like fit in here, and then it will be done. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the whole eyeshadow collection. I'm going to do a lot of videos because I think there are a lot of palettes that I need to use again. I haven't used them fairly. I will use them again, and I have a very exciting video using all of my palettes coming very soon. You know, like very soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And yes, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you next video. Bye bye.